Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use ConvertKit for sales email automation. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To get started with ConvertKit for sales email automation, first, log into your ConvertKit account. If you do not have an account, create one by signing up on the ConvertKit website. Once logged in, navigate to the Automations tab on the left sidebar. Click on the New Automation button to begin creating your sales email automation. You will be prompted to choose a trigger for your automation. Choose the specific form that you want to use for this automation. After selecting the form, click on Create Automation to proceed. Now, you'll see a visual workflow editor. Click on the plus icon to add your first action. Select Send Email from the drop-down menu. Type in the subject line for your email. Next, proceed to write your email content in the body section. Once you're satisfied with the email, click on Save. You may want to add additional emails in the sequence. Repeat the steps of adding actions and creating emails for each subsequent message. To schedule when each email is sent, click on the action between the emails. Set a delay for how long after the previous email the next one should be sent. Make sure to review the entire automation flow for any adjustments you want to make. Once everything looks good, toggle the automation from draft to active. Finally, test your automation by subscribing to the chosen. Check your inbox to see if you received the emails as expected. Congratulations, you've successfully set up sales email automation in ConvertKit. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.